Today we are going to make a video of class 5 computer hands-on, a book of information and communication technology, chapter 2. I have already sent you video chapter 1, now chapter 2. Organizing your work. Before knowing too much in this chapter, this is my humble suggestion to you all. Subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj. My channel name is SK Singh Bikramganj. Subscribe them first. Now, organizing your work. After the completion of this chapter, learners will be able to appreciate the need of information organized with the help of files and folders, differentiate between files and folders, identify different types of files on the basis of their extension, appreciate working with Windows Explorer for managing and organizing files and folders, create files and folders and save files in appropriate folders, perform different operations using files and folders, copy, move, rename and delete, use wildcard characters for searching files folders using wildcard. Introduction. Dobo is very upset today. Dobo's mother asked for sketch pens with Dobo. It means Dobo is not a careful boy. He is not arranging their books, copy, pencil, etc. And so his mother is saying, try to do all these things so that you can make a good boy. And here also now one alien has come and supported them. Tobo, what are you doing, Tobo? Are you searching for something? I am trying to find caps of few pens and also organizing my bag and other books. Tobo, oh, I actually wanted to copy the invitation file from your computer which you created the other day. Okay, you may copy it. Tobo, there are so many files on your desktop. Which one is the invitation file which I wish to copy? Could you please help me? And he was not able to find the file. Here there is a game why red birds gets angry. Task card, first task card 2. Times taken by 2 teams answer. And which team made the red bird angry? Why red bird got angry? Because the team took more time. Why one team took more time? Information not organized. Game result. Red bird not angry. Red bird got angry with team Piggy because its tabletop was cultured and information was not organized properly. Cluttered. Doboyam, I guess I have understood how important it is to organize things in proper order. What is a desktop? Now next thing, what is a desktop? The first screen that appears when we start switch on our computer containing number of small graphical pictures representing items such as files is called a desktop. This is the definition of desktop, the first screen. Here you should see all these things carefully. Icons. These are icons. Icons, small graphical symbols are called icons. Here this is taskbar. A start button. Here through this start button you can open program. Taskbar and a start button. The taskbar is a long horizontal bar located at the bottom of the desktop. It is divided into following sections. A start button, quick launch bar, notification area. This is notification area. So desktop button. The start button. See carefully. The start button is represented at the bottom left corner of the taskbar. When we click on the start button, a menu opens up which is called a start menu. A start button can be clicked to perform some common tasks. A start menu. You are seeing here a start menu. All open programs or applications can be seen as small buttons on the middle section of the taskbar. This section is also referred as quick launch bar. Notification area now. Right side of the taskbar is called notification area. Here, which has a clock and number of icons which tells the status of the program running on the computer. Wi-Fi connectivity, you can connect Wi-Fi. Volume, battery, icons are some such examples. The show desktop button is present on the extreme right side of the taskbar. Now next thing, what is a file? A file may be a Word or writer document, a text painting, a presentation. See this thing carefully. This thing will be asked in the examination. A file has two important features. First, every file has a name. Second, it has a place to live. However, in the case of a file, address is in the form of folders. Extension, application name, doc, Word document. It means Word. -odt, writer document. -txt, notepad. Extension name, part of the file given after dot is called its extension. Example, myfile.txt, scat-jpg. Image is in the form of JPG. What is a folder? A folder can be compared to a container or to a plastic folder which usually store our important proper paper documents such as circular etc. In a plastic folder, similarly, a folder may contain one or several files. Folder also has a name. Hands-on. Folders present on the desktop: science folder, computer folder, etc. Anything you may write. -doc, extension names of file, -ppt, -xps. Windows Explorer. It allows us to manage and organize our files and folder. What is Windows Explorer? It allows us to manage and organize our files and folders. It is an application. To open Windows Explorer, first a start button, all programs, accessories, Windows Explorer. A start button, computer. Creating a folder, a start, computer, select drive, select folder, enter. Click on new folder. Type name of folder to be created, enter. Copying file folder, select copy option, selected folder. I have already discussed all these things in classes where there I have used laptop and shown all these things, how you get file folder. Moving a file folder, how you move a file folder. Click on a start button, computer option. Double click on D. Select file folder you want to move. Click on organize button and select the cut option from third drop down menu. Choose the location where you want to place the cut file folder. Then click organize button and select the paste button. Here you may see select cut option. Here cut option is written. Select folder. Select destination location. Select paste option. Hands-on answer ICT world. Renaming files folders. To rename any file folder, here also select the file folder to be renamed. Right click on it and select rename option from shortcut menu which pops up. Type new name and press the enter key. Deleting files of folders. Right, files can be deleting using right click. Now next thing, search box. Computer is used for storing information so that we can retrieve it whenever we need it. Sometimes we forget the location of our file. It is not possible to check each and every file and files and subfolders. Windows offers a number of ways to find files and folders. One such way is using search box. Okay, and you can understand. Assessment activity. Wildcard. Here you are seeing wildcard means any number of characters in its place. A dot A star star will search for all live files and which start with A, followed by any number of characters having an extension. TXT will search for all files with TXT extension. Wildcard means any one character in its place. Will search for files having one character long file names with any extension, example a text or pptx etc. Assign docx will search for all the files whose name begins with assign followed by any two characters and extension doc dash doc example. Assign 11 dot docx, assign bb docx, assign 3a docx etc. Assessment activity. You may do all these questions yourself. Here I have written Dobo has missed a file. How will you find that missed file? Locating recently saved files. Searching on Windows with partial file names. Now question answer time. Here I have written page 3 computer. What is hard disk? A hard disk is a non-volatile device. It stores our data permanently. It is fixed inside a CPU. What is pen drive? Pen drive is portable device which is used to transfer files from one computer to another computer. What is bit? The smallest unit of memory is called bit. It stands for 0 and 1. 0 means off and 1 means on. 4 bit 1 nibble, 8 bit 1 byte, 1024 byte 1 kilobyte, 1024 kilobyte 1 megabyte. This was the question of chapter 1 left, so I have shown this thing. Now chapter 2 page 4 computer. What is desktop? The first screen that comes after booting is called desktop. What is icon? The small pictures on desktop are called icons. What is taskbar? The long bar at the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. What is file? A file is a collection of information. What is folder? A folder is used to keep similar files together. What are subfolders? When folders contains other folders which are called the subfolders. What is Window Explorer? It is an application that provides detailed information about files. And revision also possible. So you may revise all these things carefully. In case of any problem, you may contact. Our phone number is given. Already given. You may contact. You may write all these things page wise. I hope you are able to write. And in this case, page 8 and 9, you have to write both page one time. This is left alignment, this is center alignment, this is your left alignment. How do you write this thing? I hope this is left alignment, this is center alignment. Now next thing, justify alignment. Both things you have to write, and then finally right alignment. This is page 8 and page 9. You should write in one time. Now This is my humble suggestion to you all. Subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj for new video. Thank you. Have a nice day.